Well, welcome to another episode of Money Pit Garage. Today we're gonna install the starter motor. We're currently in John's garage because if you've noticed in my previous video, I actually only have a driveway and I don't have any tools. So I've got John behind the camera today. He's gonna be helping me out.
Yeah, right.
Or making mockery of me, whichever. Both is fine. But we'll unbox the starter motor. I actually haven't looked at it myself just yet. And I don't know what a starter motor looks like, honestly. The first thing that I noticed, and I messaged John when I actually got this, how heavy it was. Because all the pictures say they're about, 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters. But I didn't think it was so heavy. So there we go. We've got a second-hand one. $110 delivered. So I thought that was pretty good. Looks really clean for what it is. Now, John, you might be able to explain some of the things here. So there's a nut here. I'm guessing that's where...
That's the main lead from the battery.
Yeah.
So that supplies the power to turn the starter motor.
And this is the actual...
From the ignition switch that pulls in the relay to push the power through to the starter motor itself.
Cool. And this is the actual thing that spins to start the starter motor, is that right?
That's the pinion gear that engages on the flywheel.
Ah, cool. So in our previous video, you may have noticed that when we got in the car, you could turn on this ignition, you can hear the fuel pump priming, but what you heard was just a single click. So what that, and we've done some tests already. We've checked the battery. We've got 12.6 volts on the battery. We've checked fuses. All the fuses are fine. So ignition fuse is fine, and we checked the relay as well. So the relay itself, if it doesn't click at all, you've got a faulty relay, or if it clicks too many times, you've got a faulty relay. Would that be correct?
Or the voltage is too low if it clicks a lot.
But if the battery was right, that's the behavior you would expect. Okay, fantastic. So we'll get underneath the car and we'll start taking it out. So by the looks of it,
2 bolts.
2 bolts. I'm going to say right there and there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just 2 bolts to take it out from underneath the car. Question is how to get to them. So we'll figure that out now. Cool.
Yep.
The first thing that we're going to do is disconnect the battery, because if you try and plug everything in with the battery running, you're probably going to hurt yourself.
Or short it.
Pop the hood. The mighty VQ35DE Beast. You might notice there's a lot of things missing in it. All things that we will, down the track, will fix. So the battery cover is here. And there we go. So I think these are 12s?
Probably 13s.
13s? Right, we'll grab some 13s. Yeah, let's start with John's guess first. 13. Right on the money. Right on the money.
Do the earth first. Do the earth first.
Yeah, the negative.
Yep.
Yeah. Now, is there a reason why you have to do the negative first?
Well,
I know that you have to, but I don't know why.
it minimises the possibility of spike damage to the car's electronics, because if you disconnect the positive first, as you pull it off, you'll get an arc.
Okay, that's good to know. And this one's actually smaller, so the 12 and the 13 doesn't fit. I'm going to guess it's a 10. We're back with a 10 and a 9. We'll start with a 10. Oh, look at that, 10. Right there. There we go, battery disconnected, so we'll just pop that underneath that so it's not touching anything. So we need to keep these two because we know that's what they fit. I'm going to put this one away. Now with the battery disconnected, we're going to get underneath the car. We're going to take off this undercover here and we'll get a shot inside of where the starter motor is and we'll get wrenching. Whoa, I almost slammed my head into the thing.
Don't worry, we got it.
Alright. We'll get underneath it. So there's the starter motor. There's a clip there. That's the energy, not the energy, the power clip. I've just taken the dust cover off and I've just got a bunch of dust in my mouth. Nice.
Tasty.
Yum. That's what I love, you know. I love carbon deposits on my mouth. Alright, let's get out and get some tools. So we already had a 12 here. I'm gonna pinch that. No, that's a 13. I'm gonna pinch a 12. What do you think it's gonna be a 13, John? If that's a 13?
Check it on that one.
I don't have a bolt though.
You have.
I can find out this one though. 12. My gut says 12. Hey, look at that. Alright, so that's a 12. Now these are going to be bigger. So I'm going to guess a 14.
Are you going to use spanners or sockets?
I don't know if a socket will fit. There's not a lot of room. But if we can get a socket on it, it'll be a lot easier. But I will find out if this is right first. Let me figure out that much. That's the 14. And that does look like the size of the bolt. I can take the dust cover off with this. Oh, what's so funny, babe?
Just you.
Just me.
Just you. Oh, can you not do it like that, please?
How the hell? Okay, I'll be able to get it out. How do you get it back in?
Same way you got it out.
Well, that's one bolt right there. There you go.
What?
You got a bolt.
Yeah, like I just thought about it. I'm like, if I take this screw out, will this fall on my face? That was my...
That'd be the good thing. That means it comes out easy.
Hey, alright. Bolt number 2. Put my tools back where they need to be.
That doesn't go in there.
Making videos is hard, guys. Making videos is really hard. Oh, there we go, that's the starter motor. Now how do we get this out? Is the next challenge. I'm gonna pivot it. Not drop it on my face. Don't drop it on my face. Almost dropped it on my face. Hey, oh my god, it's on my face. Alright.
Chew it.
Chew it.
Chew it.
Oh, it's on your face. Chew it.
Oh. This has seen better days. Or is this what a normal starter motor looks like?
That's what. Well, it depends. If you're a dirty, grotty driver, that's normal.
Current neutral. On. There we go. We did it. We've got a car that starts. Done. That took, what, an hour and a half, I reckon?
Yep.
An hour and a half. I didn't know what to do or any skills. I haven't done this before. John's helped out with it as my supervisor. Easy. Now we've got a running car. We'll have to put the license plate number back on. And we've also got the suspension that's hiding in the shop somewhere. We've got 4 blown shocks, so that's going to be the next thing to do on the Z. And then we'll keep on thinking up video ideas from there. What do you reckon, John?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, sounds good.